Okay, welcome to a slightly different Boostly podcast. I hope you're doing well. So my name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training and the confidence to get more heads on beds and where you don't have to rely on Airbnb and Booking.com or the Verbos or the Expedias to bring them to you. Now, I've been getting a couple of messages just saying, Mark, these daily podcasts are great, but they're just everywhere and I want to keep up to date when you're doing something special. So what I've done is I'm not going to rely on the algorithms, YouTube and Facebook algorithms or anything like that. What I've decided to do is I've created a text messaging service.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
So if you go to Boostly, boostly.co.uk/SMS, it will take you to a Facebook page where you can sign up to get text messages from me straight to your phone. These will land straight into here. There'll be no noise, no disruption. It'll literally be straight in and it will just tell you when something special is coming up, whether we've got a live video or we've got a masterclass or a webinar or anything like that coming up. You will know. And I promise you will not be spammed. I promise you will not be getting 15 messages a day. It will be very few and far between. But if you want to get one, then please join the text messaging service. And also as well, I've discovered this really cool little service, this online tool, where I can share my calendar with you and you can link it to your calendar, whether that's a Google calendar, an Outlook calendar, your phone calendar, whatever it may be. So again, you can get notified via your calendar service when I'm going to be doing something special. Again, like a live masterclass, a live video, a webinar, etc. So those are two ways on how you can keep in touch, because I do get it. I do a lot of content. I pride myself on the fact that I give away so much free advice to everybody. About 99% of what I do is I give away for free, because then when anybody does upgrade and want to hire Boostly for content creation, for website design, for coaching or anything else, then you know that you're getting the best of the best. So with that, I created those two services, totally free services, so you can keep organized, up to date and never miss a thing. So again, if you want to join the text messaging service, go to boostly.co.uk/SMS. And if you would like to get your calendar synced with my calendar, it's boostly.co.uk/iCal. So ICAL. I'm not stopping doing anything else. I'm still going to be sending out the WhatsApp messages and the emails because I want to make sure that you are getting notified when there is some Boostly content or news or, breaking news that I need to share with you. For example, the time that we went after TripAdvisor, Airbnb, and we were showcasing how guests were trying to hoodwink hosts by saying that they were key workers when really they weren't. So anything like that I want to bring to your attention, I will let you know. So that's today. Super short, super quick, but it's important that I wanted to share with you. If this is the first time that you've tuned into a Boostly podcast and you're thinking, what am I signing up for here? Please do go check out yesterday's podcast or the other 200 plus podcasts that we've got before that will give you a better idea of what we're doing here at Boostly. So thank you for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode. Until then, keep proactive, don't be reactive. And I look forward to speaking to you all tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.